Mount Kilimanjaro, the easiest time I've ever had getting to it. It just came right to it with no struggles. Oh, and we've got some things going on here. Big time. Yeah, we do. Oh, yeah, we do. Oh, wow. Bugs. Yep. Let me get a better look up here. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Hmm. Lots of objects. Oh. Wow. Wow. See it land in there? You'll see, oh, see it? See them? On No More Hiding channel, you'll see them. He's been getting them too. I've been getting them for a long time here, but he's also getting them. And those are the little buggers that fly in front of you. You'll see them. Oh, Lord. Oh, that one went into the cloud. They're actually going into the clouds. Amazing. You gotta watch, because they're fast. Man. Well, you've seen a couple land into the clouds. That's kind of cool. You can always go back and see them. Yep, those aren't bugs, by the way. Yep, that's them. And they are flying all to the skies. What crazy. And they are fast. So whatever clouds are above where that camera is, they're coming down and flying everywhere. They're not just where the clouds are all through the skies. And they are flying everywhere. Yeah, that they are. Way cool. I mean, it's not cool. That's just cool that we can catch them. A few more minutes. Let's take a look down here. Man, look at that. They're sticking out. Man, look at that one. That's a big one. Oh, did you see that one? said, they're fast. They're just littered through here. Look at them all. Little fleas on a poodle. Remember what I call them? Fleas on a poodle. Looks like a white poodle with a bunch of fleas. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm not going to know how this is going to show up. Ooh, did you see that? Go to 620 and you'll see it. Yeah, see they disappear. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're going to leave here. Wow, they are flying. It's hard for me to break away from here when they're so active. Maybe we'll go 7 minutes. If you look really close, you can see them flying around, especially when they're in front of the webcam. Because the clouds are over everything. Not just like I said where we're looking. They're everywhere. And those things are that busy, you know, flying through the skies. And they're so fast you can't see them, you know. On the webcams you can, if you're looking really, really close. You gotta be used to it. And you can see them. Man, look at those. Alright, we're done. Thanks for swinging by.